Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to play music in Discord. So we're going to be doing this on my Android device. This should also follow over to iOS. So make sure first off you have your Discord app enabled. I'm just going to quickly go about everything you can do. But in the meantime, please check out the link in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So go ahead and open up Discord. First off, make sure you have a server you're either joined to or a server that you own. In my case, I have a server that I own. And as you can see here, we have the text channels and we have the voice channels. So make sure or take note of this. So make sure you're in the channel. All right, so go ahead and minimize. And what they don't show you in most tutorials is how to actually get some of the requirements completed in order to play music in Discord. You can simply open up a voice channel and use your Spotify account, but that's not going to work out well. So in this case, you have to make use of a bot. So how can you get a bot added to your Discord server that either you join or you own? First off, open up your browser and simply search for top.gg, which has a lot of Discord bots here. So just go ahead and click on Discord bot. And you're going to be taken to a list of Discord bots that are available for use on the platform. We have Protect Me, Moderation, Mude, Karuta, Poke2, Sophie, and many more bots. But what we are looking for is a special kind of bot. So it's a bot that can help us play music. In this case, it's called the Green Bot. So go ahead and click on this Green Bot here. Just click on Green Bot and it's going to open up this page. You can see it's been voted or upvoted 86 times. It's the perfect music bot for your server. So what we're going to be doing now is just click on invite. And your Discord mobile app is going to open and you're requested to authorize the bot on your Discord account. So I'm just going to go and click on continue and then go ahead and give it authorization. So request to speak, priority, use voice activity, all that good stuff. So now click on authorize. And are you human? Confirm you're not a robot for a bot and just give it some time to succeed with that. And then simply go to your server. All right, so now we've successfully added the Green Bot to our server. So how can we make use of this bot? Okay, so just use /help. It's /help. And then it's going to display all the commands of the bot. And then click on view all commands. So it's going to show all the commands that are available from the bot. And with this in mind, how can you play music? So just use the / and then type in play. So click on play a song and then it says play query. So it's going to ask you, to add a music or a track you want to play. So I'm just going to enter a track here. I might not be able to play it out because of copyright issues. So this is just what I'm going with and then click on send. Okay, so it's going to remind us that we need to be connected to a voice channel. So how do you do that? Just head over or swipe left on your Discord app, click on general, click on join voice. We've joined the voice app, so minimize this, head back to your general chat and again, and repeat the process. All right, so we've joined the voice channel. So simply enter the music you'd like to play. Okay guys, so I guess there are some certain songs you can play using the Green Bot, but if you have a link, you can simply add your link instead of typing the name. You could add a Spotify link and it's just gonna grab the song from there and play it. So guys, that's how you can simply play music on Discord. Comment down below if you have a question. And don't forget to check out the link in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. And also leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.